How can Profound transform your business setup experience in Dubai? Dubai, a city synonymous with architectural marvels and economic prowess, offers fertile ground for entrepreneurs and investors from across the globe. Its strategic location, tax-friendly regime, and vibrant market dynamics make it a sought-after destination for business setup. However, the journey to establishing a business in this bustling metropolis can be fraught with challenges, from navigating legal frameworks to ensuring operational compliance. This is where a unique blend of services including in-house AMR and Dubai Economy and Tourism Centers, along with comprehensive public relations officer services, plays a crucial role in transforming these challenges into a streamlined path to success. The challenge: navigating complexity. The first hurdle in the business setup journey is often the complexity of regulatory requirements. Entrepreneurs face a myriad of decisions, choosing the right legal entity, understanding the implications of mainland versus pre-zone setups, and ensuring compliance with local laws and regulations. Each step is critical and requires a deep understanding of the legal landscape in Dubai. The Profound solution: in-house AMR and DET centers. Recognizing the need for a seamless and efficient process, we offer an unparalleled advantage through our in-house AMR and DET centers. These centers are not just facilitators, but are integral to ensuring a smooth transition from planning to operational stages of your business setup. Direct access through in-house AMR services. Our in-house AMR center provides direct access to visa and residency services, crucial for entrepreneurs and their teams. This direct line simplifies the process of obtaining necessary permits, renewing visas, and ensuring that your business and employees comply with UAE immigration policies. The efficiency and peace of mind offered through these services cannot be overstated, allowing business owners to focus on growth rather than administrative hurdles. Streamlined licensing with DET Center. Similarly, our DET Center expedites the business licensing and registration process. Direct access to the Dubai Economy and Tourism means faster turnaround times for obtaining trade license, renewals, and necessary amendments. This expedited process is vital in a city where time is a precious commodity and speed to market can be a competitive advantage. Enhancing operations with PRO services. Beyond the initial setup, our comprehensive public relations officer (PRO) services ensure ongoing operational efficiency and compliance. These services cover a wide range of needs, from document clearing and certifications to labor contracts and visa applications. Our PRO team acts as your liaison with government bodies, ensuring that your business remains in good standing while you concentrate on strategic initiatives. The Profound advantage: efficiency, transparency, and speed. The integration of our in-house AMR and DET centers, combined with our PRO services, sets us apart in the market. This holistic approach not only ensures transparency and efficiency, but also significantly accelerates the business setup process. We understand the value of your time and investment, and our services are designed to optimize both, providing a clear and expedited path through the regulatory landscape of Dubai. A partnership for success. Our commitment to your business extends far beyond the initial setup phase. We view our relationship with clients as a partnership, offering continued support and guidance as your business grows and evolves within the dynamic Dubai market. Our in-house services and PRO support are a testament to this commitment, ensuring that you have access to expert advice and assistance at every stage of your business journey. Embracing the Dubai market with confidence. The prospect of setting up a business in Dubai is an exciting venture filled with opportunities and potential. With our specialized services, we aim to demystify the process, providing you with the tools and support needed to navigate the journey with confidence. From legal compliance and operational setup to ongoing administrative support, our team is dedicated to ensuring your success in the vibrant Dubai business landscape, embarking on your business journey. The path to business success in Dubai, though challenging, is rich with opportunities for growth and success. A unique blend of in-house AMR and DET services, augmented by comprehensive PRO support, provides a foundation for a smooth and efficient business setup process. This approach not only streamlines the necessary legal and regulatory steps, but also positions your business for success from day one. We invite you to experience the profound difference in your business setup journey in Dubai. With our expertise and support, your path to establishing and growing your business in this dynamic city is clear. Contact us today to begin your journey to success in Dubai, where opportunities abound and the growth potential is limitless. Schedule a free consultation with one of our experts today.